Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Belize. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my bedroom makeover. I decided to redecorate my entire bedroom since all my classes were moved to online. I just wanted to have my bedroom more colorful and just, put together. I added different furniture pieces and colors. So this video should be helpful for those who are trying to redecorate their own apartment rooms, or if you're moving into a dorm, this is the video. Or if you're just trying to change your bedroom, this video should also be helpful. So without further ado, let's get into the video. This is the overview of my bed. So we're going to start from my bed frame, which was from Amazon. I like the details right there. And then my beautiful pink, light pink. If you guys can tell, this is literally my color. Even my nails are that color. This is from Walmart. And then my mattress is from Wayfair. It's a hybrid mattress, super comfortable. And here I have my pillows. So I have this one was from Marshall's. I like it because you just have all these three beautiful words that I wake up on and just read them and just remind myself that I'm thankful, grateful, and blessed. And over here we have this yellow pillow, which is really comfortable. It's super soft and good quality. I got that actually on sale from Home Goods. And over here we have this fluffy thick pillow, super soft. I got it from Marshall's too. And then over here we have my two pillows, which I also got from Home Goods. I love Home Goods. And over here we have my nightstand. I decided to make this as my nightstand. It's pretty cute and it was not that expensive. It was pretty cheap from Ross. And I put all my stuff in here. So here I put all my nail stuff. Just put unnecessary stuff here, just my mask. And then here I have my jewelry basket. This thing was really cute. I got it, it was like $1 or like 50 cents from a thrift store. And I have my diffuser here and my perfume, my glasses. I keep my glasses next to my bed because your girl can't read. And over here I have my wall. I was actually really proud of this wall because of I can add my plants, and I have my I love naps thing right there. This plant was from Walmart. This one was from Target. And guys, these shelves, if you're trying to kind of change your room, this is a must. Or if you want to try something new, this is it. I got these 3 shelves from Amazon at a good price. It wasn't expensive, and it literally just changed my whole entire bedroom. Like, can you see that? And I also added my hat since that space was kind of empty, and I was just like, you know what, let me just throw my hat over there. I got this hat from LA. And here we have my comfy chair where whenever I'm reading my books I sit on, or if I want my siblings or friends to come over, they can use it. It's from Sam's Club. It was pretty affordable comparing to like the ones that they have online, or if you're trying to go to Urban Outfitters, this was pretty affordable. So if you want to get your chair, go to Sam's. They mostly have them. And over here we have my beautiful plant. Her name is Sunny. She's so beautiful. She's actually real. This one is real. You can see it's real. So I decided to actually have a real plant because I was like, you know what, let me just try it. And she's growing. These are new leaves. And whenever I got her, she was dying. So if you're trying to get into having real plants, it's not hard. You just have to water it once a week, and it's not time consuming. So yeah, and I got this little plant holder from Ross too. It was pretty affordable, so cute. It's like made out of wood. And yeah, and over here we have my carpet, which I like it. It's super soft, pretty soft. I got this from Walmart, and it was, yeah, it was not that expensive comparing to the ones that I saw from Target, and it's literally the same quality. And over here I have my curtains. These are so pretty, and they're the dark ones, so like whenever it's sun in the morning they block the sun. These were from Walmart too. And over here we have my beautiful fake plant. So I got this before the real one because I didn't know that I was going to be able to handle real plant, but here we are. I already bought it, so yeah, it's pretty. I got this from Target. It was also not expensive. And then this is my actually favorite nice thing that I got from Home Goods too. It was pretty cheap too. And here I have my Alexa. You guys, Alexa is really helpful, especially now that I spend most of my time in my room. It's so pretty. It's pretty helpful, and it matches my, you know, kind of like my theme going on. This, I got it from Amazon. If you're trying to get Alexa, go to Amazon. I think they had it on sale like 2 weeks ago. That's when I got it. Desk, she's pretty. I got this desk from Target. It's so big, like look at all of that space. And it has a drawer here. I put all unnecessary stuff like my books, calculator, my wallet. And over here I have my journals, then my books, my Bible. This is the book I'm reading, guys. If you're trying to read a book right now, this is it. This book is pretty interesting and great. If you like self-help book, this is it. I would really totally recommend this book. And over here we have my pen or pencil holder, container, whatever. This little thing, look at it. It's so I don't even know how to say it, but like I got this from a thrift store too for like $2 or $1.50. I have my laptop here, I have my makeup here. I usually don't have my makeup here, but I was doing my makeup earlier, so I just have it over here. And then I have this little butterfly thing that I got from the dollar store. You guys, don't slack on the dollar store because they have cute stuff for, you know, cheap. And then my rag too, I got it from IKEA. It's pretty soft and it was at a good price. Keeps my chair from not sliding since my floor is wood. And then, oops, my chair was from Home Goods too. It was on sale. I think I got it for $60. And it's so comfortable. I wanted something that I can, you know, sit on all day. You know, since I was taking my summer classes, I needed something that's comfortable for my back. So I got this chair from Home Goods. Moving on, here we have my mirror, which I like. And I'm over here. I got this mirror from Amazon. It's pretty long. It was $160. Which wasn't bad comparing to the ones that I saw from IKEA, and they were not this long. So over here I have my wardrobe that I got from IKEA. I have a little mess going on. I don't have all my clothes in it. All my clothes are back in my apartment and college. And here I have my YouTube stuff, and then right there it's my trash can. It's a tiny trash can. But yeah, that was it, guys. But if I forget, my carpet here has a stain that I dropped wine over there, and I'm trying to remove it, but it still haven't came off, but I'm still trying to remove it. So yeah, guys, that was it for this video. I hope it was kind of helpful for those who are trying to redo their bedroom, and I will see you guys into the next video. Bye for now.